Hi guys, Chris here at MWC19, hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S10E. I really like this one because it's a lot smaller, this phone, with the 5.8-inch screen. It's still the dynamic AMOLED panel that they are using. Now the screen to me looks very similar, the bezels at least, and of course with the Infinity O display with the camera cut out at the top, to the Samsung A8s that I reviewed. Now it comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, or 8 and 256 is the maximum there. Now the build quality is excellent. It's typical Samsung, so very good finish to it. The bezels, well, they're not the thinnest here. Definitely not as thin. The side bezels of the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus. Now the cameras on the rear, we have a main 12 megapixel sensor which has dual pixel autofocus, which is really good. So that's the same sensor, I believe, as the Samsung Galaxy S9. And then we have a 16 megapixel ultra wide too. Now the buttons, they are made out of metal, and the finish, there's no sharp edges or anything like that. Very nice, rounded off. And if we take a look at the side, that's where our fingerprint reader is. So it's not in the screen itself. It's not the ultrasonic one. So this is where Samsung's saving a little bit of money, and it's priced very competitively. So this is going to be selling for, I believe, around 700 or 750 US, which is a really decent price, and a lot of people are going to go for this, I believe. Now it's running Android's One UI. It's with Android version 9, so it's up to date, and hopefully they're going to be quick with the software updates with this particular model. Now if I go into the camera here, so just get out of this. We'll go through the different settings we've got here. See, this is how we swap between using the ultra wide right now, so it does have a bit of a fisheye effect. I can't really do much here with the hands on to look at the photo quality. I need to get it on a PC, of course. We're not allowed to do that here. So under video, you can swap when you're recording. So to start recording now, you can see that we can swap between having the ultra wide and then your typical lens there. And I can see that the electronic image stabilization is working. And we go back here into settings. Okay, so that's only in 1080p at the moment. And it looks like, okay, that's a front video. It's going to go right up to, not to 4K like the Samsung Galaxy S10. Rear video resolution, this one can go up to 4K 60 frames per second. Of course, the Snapdragon 855 can handle that quite nicely. So overall, nice compact size, feels great in hand. I will do a very quick size comparison to my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus here. And you can see there's quite a bit bigger, a little bit taller, but about the same width there. It's just a slightly wider there. So thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel for more MWC coverage. Bye for now.